Hello and welcome back to Oma Clicks Kitchen, where all the magic happens. On today's video, I will be making Zobo drink, which is gotten from hibiscus leaf. So this Zobo drink has a lot of nutrients packed in it, ranging from calcium, iron, dietary fiber, riboflavin, and a whole lot of them. And if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for always coming back to watch again. So for this recipe, you'll be needing your hibiscus leaf, your cloves, your pineapple, your ginger, your sweetener, which can be a flavor, or you can use dates. So I'll go ahead to prep my ingredients. I'll first of all select my hibiscus leaf to remove debris and wash them properly and add it into my cooking pot. I'll go ahead to dice my pineapple into pieces and also add it into my cooking pot. I will also go ahead to wash my ginger, peel the barks and grind them and set them aside. The next process is for you to add your cooking pot on your gas and start cooking. You allow this to simmer for like 2 minutes before you can go ahead to add your ginger, and you allow this to simmer for like 1 minute. You go ahead to add your sweetener, which can be your sachet flavor or your dates. So the next process is for you to turn off this gas and allow this to cool down. You have to savor this Zobo drink and put them into your glass jars or into your rubber cans and store them in your freezer. And if you are watching up to this moment, which means you are a proud fan of Zobo drink, and this Zobo drinks have a lot of health benefits, which ranges from restoring your appetite due to the presence of vitamin C in it. It also helps to lower high blood pressure, especially for our aged parents, and it also helps to lower cholesterol level. It also treats constipation problems and it lowers your risk or chances of getting cancer. And it also helps to treat menstrual pain problems for our women. For my fellow ladies, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.